Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to show you how to make another Puerto Rican limber recipe known as limber de tamarindo. Let's get into it. All right, so jumping right into it, I'm going to go ahead and use this 14-ounce bag of tamarindo pulp. This originally comes frozen, but I went ahead and I thawed it on my countertop. All it has is just the tamarindo, the pulp, and a bit of water. I like it because it doesn't have any added sugar, so that I can kind of control the amount of sugar I want to add. Now, I will have all of the ingredients in the description box below. I will also have conversions just in case you can't find this bag near you, and I'll show you what you can do to replace it, okay? So I'm just gonna add that into a large mixing bowl. Now, if you've never had tamarindo before and you don't know what it tastes like, it has like a sweet and sour taste. To me, it kind of tastes like the inside of a green grape. How would you describe it to other people who have never had it, but you did? All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add this. This is about 34 ounces of tamarindo nectar. Now, this does have tamarindo, water, and sugar. But since I'm using that frozen bag that doesn't have any added sugar, I feel like it balances out really well. And then I do add a little bit of my own sugar. Now, I know that everyone makes their tamarindo limbers differently. This is just how I make it. Of course, you can try it how I make it, and then if you want to do something different the next time, feel free to do so. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add some white sugar to my mixture because I like my limbers nice and sweet. So I'm going to add about 1/3 of a cup of white sugar, but you can add 1/4 of a cup if you do not want it too sweet, okay? I know that everyone's taste buds are different, so just adjust to your liking. Just add a little bit at a time and just check for taste and you're good to go. So all I'm using is a whisk and I'm going to mix it up really, really well. Give it a little taste test. Now earlier I didn't add like the entire 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. So all I'm doing is just adding the rest. I'm not adding any extra sugar. Just going to give that a really, really good mix and I'm good to go. All right, now it's time to pour the tamarindo limber mixture into the cups. So I like to use 3-ounce cups. I like little limbers, especially since they're sweet. I don't like to have like too much at once, but if you want to use the slightly bigger cups, feel free to do so. You can always adjust everything to your liking. So this tamarindo limber recipe made 16 small limbers. Of course, if you're using larger cups, it's going to make a little less. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave these in the freezer overnight. And the very next day, my tamarindo limbers were ready to enjoy and they came out perfect. Perfectly sweet, not watered down, just amazing. And as always, if you are new to the channel, do not forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next time.